Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Lina. And today I'm continuing with the essay writing series, and I'm going to talk about how to write an essay body paragraph. So body paragraph 1 should be 70 to 80 words long, and it should always be longer and stronger than your second body paragraph. And in your first body paragraph, you need to give the reasons supporting your viewpoints. 2 to 3 reasons is enough, one of which should be an example. You could start the paragraph with something like on the outset there are many reasons why, primarily, and you just continue like that. For giving an example, it should never be personal, so it shouldn't be something like, for example, I go grocery shopping twice per week. It should rather sound more scientific and research based. So you can write something like the research in this area reveals that 50% of people in Australia are lactose intolerant in year 2017. So it should sound something like that, and it does not have to be true. Of course, it's not going to be true because you don't know what subject you will get and you will not come prepared. So at least learn how to give, how to put together a nice example that would sound serious, and that would it would seem that you're giving some real statistics. And for the body paragraph 2, you should use 50 to 60 words. And depending on what type of essay you are writing, if you are writing an essay where in both body paragraphs you are supporting the same viewpoint, you can start with something like another reason to support my viewpoint, and then you give your main reasons, and then you give some explanation. You can give an example as well. Or if you're writing an essay where you're supporting one idea in your body paragraph 1, and then you're contradicting it in your second body paragraph, then you can start with something like the reason to support my contradiction, and then you give your main reason. The first sentence of the body paragraph should always be the most broad, and then you go into deeper explanation, giving more reasons that explain your main reason. And as I said, it's always good to give examples. You can give an example only in body paragraph 1, or you can give an example in a body paragraph 2 as well. So I'm gonna give you like a template for both body paragraphs, and it's going to be for an argumentative type of essay because I think it's the more difficult one. And if you don't know yet the types of the essays that you can get in PTE, then go and watch my other video about the types of the essay. But if you know, then I'm just gonna go ahead and read it for you. So I would start my body paragraph 1 like this. On the one hand, some people think that, and I agree. In other words, you give your supporting points. For example, you give an example. Furthermore, and you give your final supporting points. Then for the second body paragraph, you can use something like, on the other hand, it is often believed that, and then you give your second opinion because this is argumentative type of an essay, and then you give your supporting points and examples, and you can use something like another reason, and then you give your main supporting point for why you're supporting the second viewpoint as well. So I'm gonna write the notes for what I was talking about today, and you will also be able to find this template there. So if you have been watching my videos about introduction and other videos, you can start collecting those templates, and then you can put all those templates together, and you will have a beautiful template for the full essay. So I hope this was helpful, guys. If you want to receive my PDF file with notes of today, then you need to subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed yet, like the video, and in the comments below you need to write down your email. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.